Good morning to everybody. With the blessings of Arulmigu Madurai Meenakshi Sundareswarar, I am giving you the astrological predictions for the month of November in English. Separate video is uploaded for each sign. Makaram. This sign consists of Uttiradam second, third and fourth part, Tiruvonam whole star, and Avitam first and second part. First we'll see the general points. Rasi Lord is in your sign. This gives overall happiness with good respect. Mars in third gives courage and strength. From 17th November, Venus enters into a favorable place with full strength. New tasks and assignments are to be carried out. Sun enters into a very strong position from 16th onwards. This ensures happiness and success in all fields. Ketu in 11th along with the Sun give comforts and helps from all corners. Saturn and Jupiter will guide and will make you a prominent person. Good and pleasant news are there in this month. Praying Goddess Lakshmi may elevate you in a very important position. For women, good results. From 17th November, many important activities are to be carried out. Good name and fame will be there. No shortage in joyous moments in this month. For employees and salaried persons, ability to complete the works assigned in a desired manner. Laziness is replaced with responsibleness. For students, interest in learning is in an ascending way. It will create a good path towards success. For artists, very good period in the second of the month. Monetary benefits along with appreciation is indicated. For businessmen, traders, shop owners, gains are there. Expansion activities are also there. Income is promised, but receipt of money is delayed. For laborers, daily works can be finished in time. The second of the month brings comfortable results. For government employees, staff, favorable month. Targeted works will be finished in time. Recognition and appreciation from higher-ups are there. For youth, job, marriage, unemployed may get good news in this month. Adults who wait for marriage should pray Lord Dakshinamurti and Lord Saneeswarar to get a good partner in the coming months. For elders, retired persons, can concentrate on meditation and religious activities. Favorable days, unfavorable days, and days which bring mixed results are given in the table separately. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if not done earlier. For astrological queries, you can contact by mail astrokumaran@gmail.com or WhatsApp number 9486105473. Thank you.